Now P3 we discuss this Maths workbook 3B page 111 until 114. Okay, this one page 111. This one 111. Mr. Hassan drove from Jurong to Bedok. He took 1 hour 45 minutes to reach Bedok as there was a traffic jam. A. He left Jurong at 6:20 p.m. What time did he reach Bedok? Now this 1 hour 45. Start from 6:20. This one 6:20, 1 hour equals 7:20, and bin plus 40 minutes equal to 8 bin plus 5 minutes equal 5 p.m. Yeah, 8 o'clock 5 minutes p.m. This one the answer. Okay. Next, B. If there was no traffic jam, he would have reached Bedok at 7:35 p.m. How long was he stuck in the jam? Okay. Tadi dia sampainya jam 8 lewat 5 ya. Harusnya jam 7.35. It took how many minutes? 30. Okay. This one from 7:35. Harusnya dari sini kan? 7:35 you go back to 7:50. It takes 15 minutes. 7:50. Yeah. You go back 15 minutes. I mean minus. Oh, sorry. This one bin plus ya. Bin plus 15 minutes equal 8:05. So, how long he stuck? He stuck at the jam at 15 and 15 equal to 30 minutes. Okay, next. Number 2, Corina flew to Hong Kong. The flight took 3 hours 55 minutes. She left at 7:45 a.m. What time did she arrive in Hong Kong? So dia flightnya jam 3.55. Dia flightnya dari jam 3.55. Oh, flightnya long ya. This one from 7:45. 7:45 bin plus 1 hour 8:45. Bin plus 1 hour 9:45. Bin plus 1 hour 10:45. And then this bin plus 50 minutes can be 11:35. Yeah, bin plus 5 minutes equal 11:40 a.m. So 50 and 5 become 55 minutes. So the answer is 11:40 a.m. Okay, next. B. Sharon took another flight which took 15 minutes longer than the flight Corinne took. Yeah, this one Corinne. So this one bin took longer. This one bin plus 11:40 bin plus. Yeah. This one Corinne took flight. This one we continue this. 50 minutes longer. So bin plus. This one how long? This one actually 3 hour 55 bin plus 15. 3 hour 45 minutes bin plus 15 equal 4 hour 10 minutes. This one 3 hour 55 minutes bin plus 10 minutes equal 4 hours 5 minutes, and then bin plus 5 minutes equal 4 hour 10 minutes. Next page. Now this 13. Raj ran round a track. He completed one round in 15 minutes. A. How long did he take to run 3 rounds? Raj started running at 7:30 a.m. What time did he finish running 3 rounds? Nah, this one. 3 rounds. This 15 minutes times 3. 15, 3 times. 15 times 3 equal to 45 minutes. And then B. Raj started running at 7:30 a.m. What time did he finish running 3 rounds? 7:30 bin plus 45 minutes equal 8:15 a.m. This one 7:30, right? Bin plus 15 equal this. Bin plus 15 equal this. Bin plus 15 equal this. So the answer is 8:15 a.m. Next. Mabel made 3 bangles. She took 3 hours to make each bangle. Jadi dia bikin 3 gelang, satu gelangnya dia 3 jam bikinnya. So how long did she take to make 3 bangles? So this one 3 hours. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 equal to 9. Okay. And then B. She started making them at 11 a.m. What time did she finish? Jadi dari jam 11 dia bikinnya. Jam 11 tambah 3 jam 2 p.m. plus 3 hours 5 p.m. plus 3 hours equal to 8 p.m. So 11 a.m. bin plus 9 hour equals 8 p.m. So she finished at 8 p.m. This one the answer.